Greetings to the respected faculty. I am Lasya Mandapati of AIML B section. My roll number is 24951A6686. And today I will be presenting about the topic extension of, extensions of Cayley-Hamilton theorem to fractional linear systems. Let's dive right in. Introduction to the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. The Cayley-Hamilton theorem is a cornerstone of linear algebra. It is a fundamental result in linear algebra with applications in various fields. This presentation explores recent advancements in applying fractional linear systems to expand the theorem's scope and utility. The fundamentals of Cayley-Hamilton theorem. The Cayley-Hamilton theorem states that every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. The theorem asserts that P of A is equal to 0, where A is an n into n square matrix. The theorem is fundamental in solving differential equations, control systems, and understanding matrix dynamics. Fractional linear systems. What are fractional linear systems? Fractional linear systems are an extension of classical linear systems that involve fractional order derivatives instead of integer order derivatives. The fractional derivative is a generalization that provides more flexibility in modeling dynamic systems. This extension enables the analysis and control of complex dynamic systems with non-integer order dynamics. Fractional linear systems are used to model real-world phenomena like viscoelastic materials, anomalous diffusion, and certain biological processes, where dynamics cannot be accurately described using integer order derivatives. Let us also discuss connecting fractional linear systems and Cayley-Hamilton theorem. When applying the Cayley-Hamilton theorem to fractional linear systems, the fractional nature of the derivatives introduces complexities. However, advancements have shown how to extend theorem's application to such systems. The theorem can help simplify the solution of fractional differential equations. It aids in analyzing system stability and control design by expressing fractional dynamics in terms of lower order terms. Generalized Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Recent research has led to the development of a generalized Cayley-Hamilton theorem for fractional linear systems, as I have mentioned before. This provides a powerful tool for analyzing and controlling non-integer order dynamic systems. Applications in control theory. The integration of fractional calculus and Cayley-Hamilton theorem into control theory has provided advanced tools for modeling, analyzing, and optimizing complex systems. Here is how they're applied in control theory. Stability analysis. Fractional order systems introduce additional parameters that allow finer control over system dynamics. By applying the Cayley-Hamilton theorem, stability conditions for fractional systems can be expressed in terms of the state matrix A. This simplifies the determination of eigenvalue-based stability regions in the system. Controller design. Fractional PID or proportional integer derivative controllers are widely used in modern control systems. The Cayley-Hamilton theorem helps compute fractional order state feedback or observer gains by simplifying the matrix powers in system equations. This is used for optimizing robot manipulators with fractional order controllers for smoother and more precise motion. System response characterization. Fractional systems often have non-local memory effects, which standard integer order systems cannot approach. Using Cayley-Hamilton theorem, these systems can be represented in reduced order forms, aiding in designing controllers that achieve desired transient and steady state responses. This is used in adaptive cruise control in vehicles when non-local effects improve the handling of complex road conditions. Fault detection and diagnosis. Fractional order models better capture the anomalies in systems with complex dynamics. By applying the Cayley-Hamilton theorem to fractional models, diagnostic algorithms can be developed to quickly detect and isolate faults. This is used in monitoring industrial equipment like turbines or motors with early fault detection capabilities. Multi-agent system. Fractional order systems are used in modeling coordination among agents in systems like drones, robots, or autonomous vehicles. The Cayley-Hamilton theorem simplifies fractional order state equations for distributed control laws, improving efficiency in incorporating tasks. This is used in synchronizing a swarm of drones for tasks like disaster monitoring or search and rescue. Robust control. Fractional order Fractional systems naturally offer better robustness to parameter uncertainties and external disturbances. The Cayley-Hamilton theorem helps derive robust control laws that stabilize fractional systems despite modeling inaccuracies. Hence, the combination of fractional linear systems and the Cayley-Hamilton theorem significantly enhances control theory's ability to handle complex real-world systems by enabling stability analysis, robust control, and precision in dynamic response. These tools are essential for advanced engineering and technological applications. Now, let us talk about challenges and future directions. While advancements are promising, there are challenges in extending the theorem to more complex systems. Future research aims to address these challenges and further expands the applicability of the generalized Cayley-Hamilton theorem. When it comes to the challenges, mathematical complexity. Fractional calculus introduces complex mathematical tools like fractional derivatives and integrals, which can be difficult to compute and analyze, especially for large systems. Extending the Cayley-Hamilton theorem to fractional systems requires advanced techniques for handling matrix functions and fractional powers. Numerical challenges. Simulating fractional systems often requires specialized and numerical algorithms that can handle memory effects and non-local properties. Computational costs are significantly higher compared to the integer order systems. Modeling accuracy. Accurate modeling of real-world systems using fractional calculus is still a challenge due to parameter estimation and validation issues. Fractional order models often require a high precision experimental data, which may not always be available. Lack of standardization. Fractional order systems lack standardization methods for analysis and design compared to traditional integer order systems, making industrial adoption slow. Stability and robustness. While fractional systems offer improved performance, ensuring stability and robustness for a wide range of parameters is still a significant challenge. Now let's discuss future directions. For example, improved computational methods, development of efficient numerical algorithms for solving fractional order differential equations, algorithms for faster and more accurate eigenvalue computations in fractional systems, and real-life implementations. Creating hardware solutions or digital approximation methods to implement fractional order controllers in embedded systems. Focusing on field programmable gate array or FPGA or microcontrollable based implementation for practical use. It can also be used for theoretical advancements, like extending the Cayley-Hamilton theorem to encompass more complex forms of fractional systems, or investigating stability criteria specific to fractional order systems. They can also be used for robust control design, enhancing the robustness of fractional order systems to handle uncertainties and disturbances in the dynamic environment. Designing adaptive fractional controllers that can help self-tune parameters based on operating conditions, and integrating they can also be used for integrating with modern technologies. combining fractional order systems with artificial intelligence and machine learning for self-learning control laws. Integration with IoT devices or Internet of Things devices for real-time monitoring and control of complex systems. So we can conclude that while challenges remain in the practical and theoretical applications of the fractional linear systems and Cayley-Hamilton theorem, future advancements in computation, hardware, and interdisciplinary collaboration hold great promise. These developments will enable fractional order systems to play a pivotal role in solving complex control problems across various industries. Case studies and numerical simulations. Case studies and numerical simulations demonstrate the effectiveness of generalized Cayley-Hamilton theorem in analyzing and controlling complex dynamic systems with fractional order dynamics. Let's discuss case studies. Fractional PID control systems in process control. The objective is to design a fractional order PID or proportional integral derivative control for a chemical reactor. They can also be used, they are also used for other case studies like modeling isoelastic systems, power systems and renewable energy, and several other. When it comes to numerical simulations, they are used for eigenvalue analysis for fractional systems, fractional dynamics in robotics, thermal system simulation, and more. We can conclude that by bridging theoretical advancements and practical simulations, fractional systems and the Cayley-Hamilton theorem are paving the way for innovative solutions to complex engineering problems. Hence, to conclude my presentation, the advancements in applying fractional linear systems to expand the Cayley-Hamilton theorem have opened new avenues for analyzing and controlling complex dynamic systems and non-integer order uh, dynamics. Further research and applications have poised to revolutionize the field of control theory. Thank you. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you have a very nice day.